Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription. This was actually suggested by Annette, so thank you for your suggestion, Annette. It is the Crystal Council box. And by the way, if any of you ever have any suggestions on boxes for the channel, please leave a comment down below. But I sat on this one for a little bit. So the Crystal Council has 4 different subscription plans starting at $14. And then it's $28, which is the one I got called the Apprentice box. And then they have a third tier, I can't remember the exact price, like maybe around $70. And then they have a 4th tier that's over $100. So there's a wide range, and you get to fill out a survey and customize if you get the tiers 2 through 4. So I did pay for this one myself. At first I wasn't sure if I wanted a crystal subscription because I have so many crystals in my collection already, but I looked at their site, I looked at their Instagram, and it looks like they have a lot of unique crystals and a lot of information too that goes along with it. So I want to try it out, and that's what we're doing today. So here's the box. It's super cute, and I did peek briefly, and at least the 2 main stones in here are unique, at least for my collection, so I'm super excited. Before we open this though and see all the goodies, I just want to take a moment to say hi again and welcome if you guys are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and open them pretty much every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so if you love them too, it would make me so happy. I'd be so grateful if you subscribed. I'm so grateful you're here anyways. But let's get to the box. So again, this is a $28 box, and I did fill out a survey, and you let them know what type of, what you want from your crystals, like for example, like abundance, prosperity, stuff like anti-anxiety, stuff like that. And you open it up. There is a little note. I don't want everything to spill, especially crystals. There's a note on top, and they also have a little card here. A new way to connect with crystals, and there's a QR code. You can invest, collect, and trade. So they must have their own little community. That's cool. There's a koozie on top, and then we have the crystals. So again, I'll show you from afar, but I don't want to drop them. So let's see what it says here. The Crystal Council May newsletter. Oh, cool. It even says on here lunar events. So it talks about the new moon that's occurring on May 30th, and it talks about Gemini, which was it today? No, yesterday that we went into Gemini. It talked about Taurus season and then going into Gemini. So it gives, they have a background on why they chose the crystals this month, which is super cool. I won't read the whole thing here, but I love that. And on the back, it mentions that they include Palo Santo to cleanse your crystals. And Palo Santo is actually my preferred method of smoke cleansing, and that's what I use to clean my crystals and clean my space literally every day. And they say that they use, or they pledge to preserve its sacredness, and they have a whole article on their website. So that's awesome. So it's collected, ethically sourced, and I really appreciate that. And this is a big stick. These last forever. I have one right here I've been burning. It's getting to the end, but I've had it over 2 months maybe. I've been using the same one, so this is awesome. And then a little extra goodie, a koozie. I have a crystal for that. This is so cute. I love it. Now, there's another, this must be information about the crystals. Oh, it's sealed. Look at the wax seal. The scroll. Like, legit. Oh. Awesome. So it's a mindfulness collection. Hand-selected healing stones built around leveling up your meditation experiences. Nice. And then they give you some advice on setting the mood and getting into and settling into meditation. And then it talks about each of the crystals inside. Let me check this real quick. Okay, perfect. My friend's gonna be here in 5 to 7 minutes. We've got time. Wow, this is so cool. Something about this is just really entertaining. But now let's get to the crystals. So we have 4 here, and the first one we have here is a pretty large piece, and this is stromatolite. And I looked this up. This is one of the oldest fossilized crystals. I feel like I might have heard Jesse Miller's Unboxing More talk about this in the past. Or is it another crystal? If you're watching, Jesse, I would love to know. But this is super cool. I don't have anything that looks like this, but Let me look and see what it says, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's like super old. So I think it's probably used for grounding. This is fun, but it's hard to keep open. It helps connect to ancient Earth and the energies of Mother Nature from a few billion years ago. So it has vibrations when the Earth was more unfeathered and innocent. Yeah, so definitely grounding and working with Earth energies. Also, I should put this on my altar over there. Here it is again. And then the next one, I don't know much about this or anything about this actually, cherry tangerine. And they wrapped them up nicely. All of them came just fine. Tangerine. Ooh, it kind of looks like, I have a strawberry quartz I have, but a little different. I wonder if this was, I don't know why I'm trying to guess. Let's read what it says. It's a trademarked name for a recent discovery of quartz with lepidolite. Oh, awesome. So this will be calming. So lepidolite's energies align and clear our chakra. And then the quartz amplifies its effects. So this is good when you're juggling your emotions and also balancing our polarities. Yes, lepidolite is great for that. It has a calming effect. Is lepidolite, I think it naturally has some lithium in it. So it could be good for anxiety. Without like taking any medication, just having it with you. I know some people might not think that, but like, hey, if it's a placebo effect, I'll take it. So this can provide us with an escape from our own feelings to reconnect back with reality. And then we have two other stones here. I'm just gonna look. I could tell one's howlite and the other is polychrome jasper. And they're in this bag here, so we have some small tumbled stones. So I do have howlite earrings on right now, actually. Here is the howlite. Howlite's great for calming energy. We were just talking about that with anxiety. And I think these are good stones to put in for meditation because you can't really meditate properly or think clearly or like clear your head when you have all these running thoughts, racing thoughts. Ooh, this jasper is really cool. Hopefully you guys can tell. Sorry, my phone's going off. My cat's crying for me. That was everything, you guys. Let me just see if there's anything. I want to look. What was the name of that again? Polychrome jasper. Helps you embody your true self and channel your energies to the one closest to you. So this helps with inner balance. And then, yep, the howlite calms and soothes emotions that might be a bit overwhelming. And then there's a little final note about meditation and some things to think about. But that's really nice if meditation and just crystals in general are new to you. And they say the box I got, the Apprentice, is good for beginners and people who've been around crystals for a little while. What do you need to release right now? What energy could you use more of? I love that they give a little ritual and walk you through it. But I think this is super exciting. I'm going to get it another month at least, probably longer. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you again, Annette, for suggesting this box. Thank you all for being here. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. So that means I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.